Today we have to write a function to binary, which returns the number in a binary format. So what we can use is a built-in function called binary bin, return bin, and then pass in the argument, which will be n. Well, let's try that out first. As you can see, we get a string in the first place, but there is a prefix, 0b, and we should get rid of that. Since Python 3.9, we have the built-in function remove prefix, and as an argument we can pass in the prefix that we want to remove, 0b, like this. But as you can see, we still have a string indicated by the quotes, and we should convert this to an integer. And for that we can use the integer method, and we can pass in the whole string as an argument. Let's test it again. And there we go. And by the way, alternatively, we can use the slicing method to get rid of the first two characters. Within the square brackets, we can indicate on the left-hand side that we start with the third character. So we skip the first two characters and we print them out till the last character on the right side. So let's test it again. And there we go. Hope this video has been useful. Hope to see you in another one. Ciao.